Savior's reply, do not turn your face away. My soul grows faint and dry. The enemy has crushed my heart. I dwell where shadows lie. Teach me to do your will, for you alone are God. Let your spirit lead me on through the land of uprightness. Revive my heart in mercy. Rescue me from the night. Your servant trusts in you. Your love is my delight. Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love, for I have placed my hope in you, my refuge from above. Show me now the way to walk, for to you I lift my soul. Deliver me, O Lord, my strength. Restore my heart, make whole. Teach me to do your will, for you alone are God. Let your spirit lead me on through the land of uprightness. Revive my heart in mercy. Rescue me from the night. Your servant trusts in you. Your love is my delight. Let your spirit lead me, let your mercy guide. In your light I follow, forever by your side. Teach me to do your will, for you alone are God. Let your spirit lead me on through the land of uprightness. Revive my heart in mercy. Rescue me from the night. Your servant trusts in you. Your love is my delight. Oh Lord, hear my prayer, in your faithfulness reply. Do not turn your face away, my soul grows faint and dry. The enemy has crushed my heart, I dwell where shadows lie. Yet I remember days of old and lift my hands on high. Teach me to do your will, for you alone are God. Let your spirit lead me on through the land of uprightness. Revive my heart in mercy. Rescue me from the night. Your servant trusts in you. Your love is my delight. mercy, rescue me from the night. Your servant trusts in you.